Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel.
Here are my seasons, guys, that I will be using in this recipe today, and I will be showing you how to make this delicious stuffed cabbage. So over here I have 4 pegs of garlic minced, and I have ginger minced, and this is 1 scotch bonnet pepper chopped finely, and I have some jerk marinade here, and this is about 1 tablespoon. I have a pack of Sazon, and here's my butter, 1 carrot minced finely, and I have 1 bell pepper here minced finely, and this is 1 corn, and I take the corn off the cob. So this is the corn right there, and 1 sweet pepper chopped finely, 1 onion chopped finely, bell pepper, and this is my shrimp that I'm going to be using, and here is my cabbage. And in here I have my pimento seeds that I will be grinding out to use also in my recipe. Now let's season the shrimp, guys, and I will be adding a pinch of salt first, and then I'm going to add a pinch of black pepper. Now I will be adding the jerk marinade, followed by the chopped garlic, ginger, pepper.
Hey Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Cabbage, and the cabbage has been washed cleanly. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut out the belly of the cabbage. Alright, so just stay tuned and follow. And please be careful when doing this. Take your time. Make sure you're holding the knife properly so that the knife doesn't slip and you get cut. Alright, so just be gently cutting around the cord to pluck it out. Alright, okay, so after getting part out. We're gonna clean out inside of the cabbage. So while you're cutting inside of the cabbage, you're spinning your knife. You're turning the knife while you're turning the cabbage. Alright? Because you're making a belly, so you want to clean out inside of the cabbage. You're cutting out the cabbage inside. Okay? Still have more cutting out to do, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead now and start seasoning the cabbage lightly with little salt and black pepper, and then I'm going to use some butter also. Okay, and just season it lightly because the seasons already has salt in it. This is some paprika. And you just rub it onto the cabbage. Like this, and inside of the cabbage. And I'm using unsalted butter, so I'm gonna go in with some butter in the cabbage. So after putting butter inside, I'm going to put butter outside of the cabbage as well, like this. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead now and start stuffing the cabbage. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so you will be alerted on my next upload. Thank you so much to the viewing public. Thank you guys so much for watching, and to my new subscribers, I welcome you guys. Thanks for joining. To my members, thank you guys so much for joining my membership. Bye guys.